One of the main problems we used to get, I've not really had it with this, the RS1, mainly, hopefully that's probably down to the good maintenance on it, but inside here, you can't really see it, but inside here is a roller bearing. Well, it's just a roller on a pin. That rotates and you can't really see it, but your clutch weight runs on it. Now, one thing I found on the old thousands was the roller bearing inside here. I can't see it. When you don't clean it, look after it, stay on top of it, they get the dirt in, the roller gets a bit sticky, and then all of a sudden it starts sticking in one place. Then when you're using your clutch weight, you see there, your clutch weight runs on the roller, and then when the roller sticks in one position, it wears a hole in your clutch weight. It'll have a flat spot on the roller, and then it's like a tyre in F1. Once it gets a flat spot on it, it'll keep stopping in the same place, and then eventually it'll wear a groove in your weight, and then eventually it'll just, the roller will lock in, and then your clutch won't release, and it'll like being stuck in gear. Like I say, touch wood, not had that problem with the RS1 clutches, but that may be because my maintenance schedule on it's a bit better than it used to be. We pull these out, have a look at these. Now these, all you do is have a look, see if there's any cracks. They are prone to splitting and cracking here. I mean, if we ever see them where they've cracked, we just snip them off with snips. Somebody might tell me that that's fucking drastically wrong, but rather than replace them, if they crack, we just cut them off evenly. Never had any, these haven't been cut, obviously this is a reasonably new buggy, but if they cracked, we would have snipped them. Never had any negative effects from snipping them. I presume them bits are there for a reason, probably to locate them, but like I say, one of the wearable parts, we give these a clean up, probably light little bit of wet and dry on them, just take any roughness off them. Just generally check them over.